How to get $100 Wendy's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Wendy's promo code, and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Wendy's. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm gonna open this one. Worth penny. You can also give a try to this one website. Once Wendy website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Wendy's. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, $80 off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Now you can copy the code, then click on shop. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can browse through the menu and select the items that you want to order and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Wendy's. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Wendy's. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for Wendy's. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.